all this stuff in this toy fridge. And first, we're gonna open it. Like when Sophie gave it to me, and she's gonna let me keep it. I put the cake in there. Like that's the milk, and we'll put the milk there. And I could slide these in. And there. Almost. And we'll put the pumpkin on top that comes with it. The egg. The 2 eggs. First the turkey goes down the bottom. First we'll put it on top and slide it on the bottom. And we're gonna slide that on. Let's put it on that side. Like, got it. Let's just put it way like that. And we'll put the last piece that way. Let's put the strings. Wait. Put the milk in here. It'll slide out. When you push this, it will slide out. I'll show you. Then that 2 milks is in it. Wait, 3 milks. Grab them and we'll put them back in.
Jennifer, a kiss for you making your video. Just one kiss. One kiss, please. Just real quick. Just real quick. Just give me one kiss and I'll leave you alone. You gotta stop right now and give it to me.
And now we had to restart.
You gotta restart. Mommy just start it up again.
And I'll slide that back up.
One day we'll make the same video right here. Ow.
I need to know. Pause the and look. Wait, what was that little thingy? The small thing. This goes on top. I'll put that on top of it. Or it's going to go in there. That's how it. Put the milks, and here is the other sinks. Wait, let's just put the fresh milk, and here's the pops. Side pops in there. Then we close it up, and that's it of the video. Bye.